do you guys want to get? I respect it. Let's just not get that crazy yet. Okay, const. User feature post equals this dot get. How do I not have a get? The heck? Public static async get. Go ahead, Copilot. Just do the work. Don't make me think. Okay, good try. User featured post. Good. You can't watch it. You'll tweet me why. Better be good news. Better be good news. Good luck to you, my friend. Glad you stepped in. Okay. Let's see here. Mixed nuts. We're talking about my all-time favorite band, dude. Old Paramore specifically, can't beat it. Can't beat it. Childhood memories. Okay, so we don't have this, so we got to create a get. Okay. Outstanding. Okay. Come on, dude. Thank you. Consorte equals new date. A freaking man. Async up. Update. ID. Boom. Classic. Can I do something like that? That would have been amazing. That would have been just too amazing. An absolute banger. Okay, so let's just start from the top. Let's do we want sort date. Literally all there is sort date. That's literally all there is. Oh, what? Done. All right, reset sort date. That's what we needed, guys. So let's go back here. Who's calling this? All right, so check it out. And I suppose we'll await this. I suppose we'll await this. All right, check it out. So once this thing is viewed, I'm even gonna give myself a bit of a log. Old console.log. Reset sort date. To lock this thing in time, and I want to go back to timeline service and just rethink this logic really quick. So this, we're selecting, including its sort date from user feature post where created at is less than that, or sort date is greater than, which will never be true. I think I want to do something like this. This is ridiculous, but I think I want to do this where sort date is less or sort date is greater than. This is just a test. I'll come back and fix this. Wink wink. I'll come back and fix this. Wink wink. Let's do this. 2025-01-01. Yeah, don't worry, I'll come back and fix that, guys. Just trust me. I'm not gonna leave that there and forget. So basically we're saying if it's way out in the future, grab it or get it from its normal means. Okay, here we go. Reset sort date from 2025 to 2024 to now, right? Now, when I pull the refresh, it probably shouldn't even find that thing. No, it does, but it doesn't reset it. Why not? No, it does. Okay. So now that it's been reset, we need to find another reason. All right. So now it's stuck in like a loop, basically. So we need to. The hack of the lifetime is checking if sort date's in the future. Like at that point, should I just use a freaking Boolean? Probably. What sort of advertising do you have? I just started paying for somebody to put ads out. Costs like $600 a month, which is, let me just tell you, my bank account's gonna run out really quickly at that rate. But sometimes you gotta risk it for the biscuit, baby. So we're paying it. Let's see how much I got. Oh, my phone's up there. I can't check. I got probably. I probably got over 3,000 left. So I got, what's that? 6, 12, 18, 24. I probably got about 5 months of advertisement left. So far, it's been fruitless. We need to be fruitful. I've only done it for 2 months, though. I think I've got some users. All right, I think we're using the Boolean, guys. I know you guys are like trying to tell me to use, not to use the Boolean. I think we want the Boolean. Is viewed. I think that's gonna be a good idea. Oh no. I am not breaking even on advertisements. Okay. Oops, I did not mean to quit. I did not mean to quit. I meant to write. Oh, don't you blame my stream, bro. Don't you blame my stream, bro. I'm on the MacBook Pro M3. Don't you blame my stream. Just kidding. But I am curious if I'm on Ethernet or Wi-Fi, because that would really matter. Should be an Ethernet. I am. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we want to yeah, Sidrin. Well, it's 400 a month. It's 400 a month for all social media advertisement, and we did 1 month of advertising for $200. So now we just, I mean, what, well, hell, the month's almost over. I feel like we just started advertisements again like 2 days ago. I don't know. The point is I outsource that to someone else, and I don't got the time or capacity to think about it right now. I just pay money and hope it works out. Fennec, let's go. How we doing? Letterborn, I stole your playlist. It's good music. It's good music. So yeah, it's all pretty new. Social media. I needed to build up a social media account. Okay, here we go. Okay, so oh yeah, so we're doing the Boolean. Let me go look. Is viewed. Okay. Um, is viewed. So we need to push that. Scripts. Push. Okay. This is gonna make my life a little easier. Like, I gotta do a deep ghoul. Cool. Okay. Let's go. Oh, I don't want that. Let's go to timeline service. Timeline service again. Going, no. Where? Here. Trust the process. That's all I can say, guys. Trust the process. The ads, they'll probably work out. You do need to tune your ads. You need to find your target and everything. And that's what ideally that guy's cooking on. Again, I literally don't have the time to deal with that. I'm dealing with other crap. You know what I mean? I have no idea. I have no idea what traffic to my landing page looks like. I literally have no idea. I don't even know if people access it. I just don't have the capacity to even look. Sort date. You access it. Let's go, guys. Everybody access this. Let's boost it up. Let's boost it up. What do I do for work? I'm a computer programmer. Okay, let's type it in better in Google and see if it comes up. It's the first search. Let's go. It better that comes the first search. I'm the greatest SEO there is. I'm the greatest SEO there is. I'm the greatest SEO there is. Okay, what's next? Let's type in habit building, social network. Let's see what's there. Let's see what's there. Oh, I didn't even stand a shot in the dark. I didn't even stand a shot. I didn't even stand a shot. What's up, Akira? Welcome in, my friend. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Dude, we've been all over the board and back, baby. All over the board and back. I get 100 for SEO. That's why I pay to play, baby. I didn't build that website. I just clicked on it. Dude, that's crazy. 100. Let's go. That's great. All right, Akira, we're building some of the craziest solutions known to man right now. Oh, some of the craziest solutions known to man. Okay. We're basically we came up with the equals false or boom. Yeah, we basically came up with a way to force timeline posts to the top of the timeline until they're viewed and then allowing them to organically disappear into your timeline. And we hit a small road bump, but I think we're okay. I think we're about to be back. Yeah, I think we're about to be back. Let's go to we don't need to do this anymore. Yeah, we literally don't need to do that. Okay. Yeah. You would like that, wouldn't you? Schema. Oh, come on. Watch this, guys. Sort date. Default now. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Push. Deep ghoul. Okay. LSP restart, baby. Let's go. Okay, cool. Great. Great. All right. Job star, let's go. I don't think anybody knows. I think we're just absolutely. Have you ever heard of the term spray and pray? That's kind of what we're up to right now. We're spraying and praying. Okay. So we pull this if is view is false. Plethora, good luck to you on your adventures. Please continue to stop in. Don't worry, I'm gonna restore that premium purchase and I'll let you get that purchase through real soon. Just keep an eye out for the next version. Yeah, we broke premium purchases, guys, if anyone was curious. We're just not thrilled about it. We broke premium purchases. But we fixed it from future botches. Select ID, user feature post, sort date, blah, blah, blah. Exactly. Oh, we fixed it. We fixed it with a get pre-commit hook, so I can never commit the file ever again. It's actual genius. Is viewed equals false or sort date is less than. Outstanding. That's a good solution. I told you guys we should do it that way. Okay. Timeline service. Sure. Everything's looking good. So we query it, we get it here, get all by IDs, no big deal. We pop it into here. Sort date, good. Usually against pre-commit hooks, but that's what but that's for when they do stuff that should be in CI/CD. I think this is one of the first instances you've seen very useful. I am shocked that you're the second person who said that solution wasn't the worst solution of all time. I don't hate it myself. I think it's a hack of a lifetime. But if you want to talk about the hack of a lifetime, let's talk about the fact that I'm avoiding disconnecting from the managed expo workflow by commenting out an import during development. That's the real problem. I should face the music and disconnect from the expo managed workflow. But I don't, or it's called eject. That's the term. It's called eject. I should eject from the managed workflow. I don't want to, though. I like being managed. So I have this hack of a lifetime and I just comment out the actual import and I use an interface so my app doesn't know the difference. It thinks the dummy's the real implementation. Genius? Probably not. Probably not. What framework do you use? I use Node and Express, the greatest tech of all time. All right. I think so. Let's keep looking. So, dispatch another Paramore song. I'll never get over a good Paramore song. Okay, user feature handled something or other. See, reset sort date. That's not that's not what we want to do anymore. Instead, we want to say public static async mark as viewed. And then it's gonna basically be this. In fact, I'm gonna do one of these. Mark as viewed. We are also gonna update the sort date to now. We're gonna lock it in time. User feature dot viewed true. Okay. 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 Mark as viewed. Mark as viewed. Okay. And then one more thing we're gonna do is go to timeline. When in doubt, try catch, throw, error it out. Why is that something I did? Hope not. Um. Okay. If is viewed, continue LFG, baby. I'll do an or, YOLO. The guy's, oh no. Okay, here we go. Let's cook, guys. Okay. All right, let's cook it. User, handler. Yeah, user, handler. Um. All right, here we go. Restarting. Okay, let me do something. Let's go back to the timeline and think for him. I don't think this is, I don't think I'm right. I don't think I'm there yet. I think we're right there, but I think I'm missing something. This doesn't make any sense. So I'm creating it and then I'm immediately turning it around and marking it as viewed. Wait. Hold on. We gotta do this again. We gotta think this through again. Dude, Kimakan, what up? Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Development. Select star from user featured post. Delete from user. Okay. So what does this do? Now I forget. Sidran, I got you. What up? Welcome, Sidran. Oh God. Okay. Sidran, a Sidran sip, a Sidran sip. We call it a Sidran sip. All right. So where is timeline? Timeline listener. That's going to be the key. I think we're still good, guys. I don't think we're toast yet. Lakey's over there on pins and needles. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. I think. Absolutely, we're perfect. We are literally perfect. All right, let's cook, guys. Watch. Watch. We'll put this banger on. Cool. Watch. Pull the refresh. Copied latest feature. Pull the refresh again. Okay, let's try again. Okay. Ready? Pull the refresh. Already copied. No, it says copied, right? So we look. Sort date is viewed as false. Okay. All we've ever needed. Now, what's going to happen? No, you're good, dude. That's what she's there for. Okay, I'm going to harpoon this. Let's go to timeline service. Okay. So we should see user feature posts. Absolutely. If we're not, that's problem 0, which I don't think we're going to see. We don't see it. Okay. Fine. Why? Why? That's the next question, because this thing should absolutely make the cut. Let's look in here. Where is use? Well, what do you want from me? What do you want from me? I'm gonna throw it away and forget yesterday if this thing doesn't start correcting itself. We still want that thing to be a year ahead after all that. Oh, don't do it. Don't, what? Oh, this is absolutely tragic. Is there a way to like leader equals yes. That's horrible. That's never gonna do. Oh crap. Boom. Okay. Okay. So that's good. That query's great. So explain to me why we're not getting the result. All right. Build results. Then let's YOLO it, guys. Here we go. Cancel that log results. Zoe, what do we got? A banger alert or something? User feature post. Okay. Or Zoe, we have a mega banger. Both are viable up. Oh no, I screwed it up. Okay. Get all by IDs. Something tells me, guys, that this is the one that's failing. Ooh, that right here. Okay. Element 0. Perfect. So that's failing. Get all by... Oh, come on. Here we go. Here we go. ID is 3. The hell's wrong with you then? Aha! Our query failed, guys. Our query failed. What? Well, that's why. That's why. What? What? I want you guys to know that was Copilot and not me. I do not take the blame for that. I do not take the blame for that. The AI screwed me. I did not screw myself. I did not screw that code base. I did not screw that code base. Dispatch. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Now we're dispatching. Okay. Observe. This should do it. This should do it. Just that marking is viewed. 3. Marking is viewed. Marking is viewed. Major marking is viewed alert. Major marking is viewed alert. Viewed. Done. We're so cooked, guys. This code base is so cooked. It has no idea how cooked it is. Okay. Outstanding. The last thing I want to do is this. Creator does not exist. Okay. Love to hear it, bro. For what it's worth, I enjoy it very much myself. I enjoy it very much myself. All right. So if I did that correctly, which I'm sure I did, let's be honest. I'm sure I did. Okay. Boom. Sort date. Creative not exists. Sort date. Okay. We're going to try this from the top. Okay, we've got nothing. Okay, here we go. Starting server. Here we go. Pull the refresh. Copy latest feature. Okay. So now what that's going to do is it's sitting there waiting for the user to view. As you can see right there. Then when you pull the refresh again, it's going to say, all right, this person's seen this at this point. So notice the sort date. Okay, take note of 2 things. The sort date is 2025. The viewed date, or the viewed is 0, which is false. This needs to be viewed as true, and the sort date needs to be basically 1 minute ago. Boom. The goose is cooked. Now if I do this again, we shouldn't even bother getting in there again. Yeah. Absolutely outstanding performance. Absolutely outstanding performance. I just absolutely love to see it. Cool. So let's go to the front end. Lakey, how do you like that solution? Be honest with me. Be honest with me. That's a pretty good solution, keeping in mind how the timeline already works. I was able to key that solution of forcing specific posts to the top of the user's timeline by not doing too much, right? That's the key. That's the key. Now, could there have been another solution? Probably. There's probably another solution somewhere. But that's for a smarter person than I. Guys, I've learned I almost hate else statements. And the reason why I hate else statements is the featured post. The reason I hate else statements is because of backwards compatibility. Imagine if right here I said, oh, well, this is the last use case there. I'm just going to say else, right? Well, guess what? I just added a new one. So now I'm going to send new data over. It's going to, this thing doesn't even know what it is. Backwards compatibility is broken. Not if you don't use else statements, it's not. Okay, now we got to build this thing. Challenge, user post, user featured post. I'm literally gonna. Aw. What's a guard clause? Damn you, late key. Damn you, late key. But how does that work with the sort? How does that work with the actual sort? Because technically, once you create that post, we're sorting by descending. But what if it's null? Sort data, yeah. It needs to be out in the stratosphere somewhere. You check the exception course with the conditional first. Got it. All right, let's do this. Boom, boom, boom. User. What? Uh-oh. Raid alert. Hold on, let me see. Grumpy, let's go. Welcome in, my friend. What the fridge is in crud? Yeah, I don't need any of that. Grumpy, raid and run. Thanks for coming in, my friend. Oh, getting rid of the crotch cam was one of my favorite wins of all time. I've had several wins in my day. That was one of the best. Now it's a stepladder cam. Exactly. It's not a real ladder. Apparently, the A-frame ladders are the only. We only have those in the U.S. I don't know how we advanced so far amongst society. User featured post placeholder. What? Boom. The step ladder has been embraced. The step ladder has been embraced. I have a lot of work to do to get this to work on the front end. The hell is this called? Uh, yo, Bright Lord, what's good? By the way, welcome in. Thanks for the follow. Interactable element, custom hooks, user, user featured posts. Holy Java name. You miss your biological letter. That is that. It's not easy. You gotta take it one step at a time. Letterborn, one step at a time. User featured post. User. Watch this, guys. Watch this. Holy. Then we just hack that thing to life. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Oh, here's the deal here, guys. I can hear the boys awake. What time we got? 6:40. I think I gotta quickly switch gears and cook this build because I'm afraid I'm not going to finish this in time. And and we need to fix payments. Okay, let me all just cook off these uh, builds. Active. What's it called? Actions. They're called actions. GitHub actions. That's what they're called, guys. Okay. GitHub actions. Okay, cooked. Done. Now let's keep cooking here. RJ, what's up, my friend? How you doing? Featured post. What? Hmm. Damn. Oh. Gotta think this one through a little bit, guys. The route I just took is the wrong route. Dude, doing well. Having a hell of a day. We got a sick feature coming out here. Featured filtered timeline. This needs to be. It's not that sick. Featured posts. So like I can post on in half of them better, on behalf of them better. But more than that, um, post. But more than that is what else was more than that? I had it and I lost it. There was something. There was something more than that. Um, oh, I recall. More than that, came up with a really unique system. Unique is a term we'll use. Unique system to force the post to the top of the user's timeline. This is client side. This is client side. Okay. Let's see if I can figure this out. I think we need a timeline element. God. Yeah, so I think this is actually most similar to this one. Featured post timeline element. Let's just make that. Okay. It's a mobile app. Scan that QR code over that way. You can get in and try using the habit building app for yourself. Or you can go to the website and just click the link at the top, the download link, and you'll be able to do it that way. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Oh, I quit the wrong thing. I'm so livid. Leave me alone. Feature. No, thank you, Bright. Hope to see you in there. Timeline element. Aw. Challenge recently joined. So this is featured. Featured post. Featured post. Interactable timeline. Elements. Cool. Featured post. Let's do one of these again. Challenge. Yeah, whoever's looking at that premium feature, we broke it in production, but we're cooking a build as we speak. That might be you, Bright, for all we know. But I can see somebody's continuously looking at the, oh god, I can't wait to fix this damn bug. For iOS, it's gonna take forever. My life, guys. Challenge. What the hell? Um. Oh no, it's broken for both. Nobody's safe. Ain't nobody buying premium right now. Challenge summary. Oh, whatever. Percent %S. Challenge summary. Oh, people just keep pressing it. It's not going to change. It's not going to get any better. It's just going to not work for like the next 24 hours. All right, I'm muting this thing. You've been banished. Whoever's doing that. You've been. The iPad's been muted. The iPad's been muted. Just kidding. I don't know how to mute this thing. How do I mute the iPad? There. iPad's been muted. Get muted, iPad. Yes. Don't tell me that just everything's broken. What are you trying to click? What user are you trying to click? Are you on iOS or Android? What? Are you on Android or iOS? Letterborn, good chatting. Good chatting. Go do your thing. All right, we're loading up the Android, guys. Although I feel like someone else would have reported this by now. I mean, there's definitely a bug. I just don't know what the magnitude is. Okay, it works for Late Key. Why wouldn't it work for you? Let me maybe check the logs. Logs. Well, I definitely see problems with Revenue Cat. But I think that's expected. All right, do me a favor. For the kick dubs, will you delete or will you close the app? You know how to close the app? Close the app and reopen it. Oh, here's something interesting. Someone's in a bad state, dude, and I feel like it's you. There's gotta be you. Close the app and reopen it. You're not your client is not sending over your version. Debugging and finding the source of the issue and then implementing a solution without breaking something else is probably the thing you hate. So you closed it and opened it and now it works. Is that correct? Thanks for dealing with that. What I'm seeing in the logs is there was a user that wasn't sending their version over. Now it should have defaulted to the latest. In fact, we can try to emulate that right here on stream. Let's try to emulate that. This will be very interesting. Oh God, everything's broken. Oh, even worse. Oh God, hold on. Bear with me. Okay. At least people keep pressing the premium button. It's gosh. Can it just start without this? Okay. We're gonna try to emulate this right now. Well, I do because I want to see if people are looking. I have no way to I have no other um means of metrics, you know what I mean? So that is my metrics. But when it's failing like that, obviously people are gonna keep slamming. So like, why the hell is this thing saying debug or whatever it says? All right, so check it out. Check this, guys. Where's my server? You can see my server here. When I click on Akira, look, you can see I'm on 5.0.23, right? Let's go to Axios, and let's comment out client version. It should now, I'm not crazy. How is it still doing client version? I commented it out. I commented it out. How is it working? Yeah, this is a dummy implementation. Like, that's such a freaking fail. It's all right. The build's cooking. The build's cooking. Okay, now you're freaking out. Unhandled. It now it doesn't know who we are. Ugh, my life. I thought the server was supposed to default it. I really do think it's supposed to. Now, this isn't the error I was seeing, by the way. The error I was seeing was something a little more sinister. I was seeing this. Start client. Refresh. So what is it? What is this thing saying now? Okay, here we are. Cameo. Yo, what up, Blanc? Doing well. How about yourself? Hope you're doing well. I can't get this thing to break. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do a little bit of a test, guys. Training your English. There you go. That's an admirable trait. So is this thing hitting latest? I'm over it. I'm over it. I don't know what the hell that was. Let's hope. Hope that doesn't happen anymore. Okay. No, I don't think it is undefined. I think Akira, are you out there by chance? Were you just on the admin page? We might store a header on the admin page. I think it was I think I'm chasing the wrong thing. Were you just on the admin page recently by chance? I was seeing something odd in the logs, and I'm hoping it was just you on. Oh no, really? Well, then it was Strong or something else is hitting admin endpoints. Those are the only. I wasn't me. Okay, good. Did you like navigate around? Like I'm just seeing requests to like users and stuff. It surely was you then. I'm gonna chalk it up as that. I'm gonna chalk it up as that. All right, guys. So here's the deal. We just got like a ton of new users today. We need to, after this, we need to come up with a concept of trying to entice people to come back into the app because they probably downloaded the app. They're probably never going to open it again, and they're probably going to forget that they downloaded it. I do that every time. We got to be blasting these people with push notifications. So they're like, oh, okay, I'll come back. So, because there's no better people to try to get back into your app than people who already have the app downloaded. You're in the best possible, like if they have the app downloaded on their phone, that you're way better off trying to get those people to use your app than people who don't know what your app is yet. So we're going to be focusing on that coming up here. You're offering me $1 million. I accept. I always wanted $1 million. Please send you. Oh, I don't have $1 million. You were mistaken by somebody else, some other dev dad. Yeah, because of revenue cap. Let's get those builds out there. Damn, dude, that was ridiculous. Internal build, internal testing, promote, release, production, release, save, go to overview, send one change for review, go. Why don't I have over-the-air updates installed yet? Apple Connect. Okay, Android's been pushed. Now we're pushing Apple. Oh, you're the worst. Okay, what do you want from me? 802942. Trust. Goodbye. apps. I'm just doing a quick release. I know you can't see my browser, but just take my word for it. Just take my word for it. 2, 2, 2, 3. Create. Okay. What is my what's new in this version? Minor UI enhancements. Add build. Boom. Boom. Save. Add. Okay, we cooked it. Don't worry, guys. You all can sign up for premium really soon. Keep your eyes peeled on your application. In no time, you guys will be able to sign up for premium. I'm so sorry I deprived you of the opportunity. Very soon, you'll be able to. All right. I hear the family's awake, guys. It's a Saturday. It's a beautiful Saturday at that. It's 7 o'clock. I'm going to jet here and go hang out and start my day. Maybe brew a coffee. Maybe who knows? Maybe a yogurt with some granola. That's a classic. I know where we're going. I know where we're going. There, I primed it up. Harsh, what's good? What's good? All right, guys, let's go to Bad Cop. See what's good over here. Let's cause some absolute mayhem. All right, guys. Thanks so much for everything. Again, QR code on the top if you're new around here, or quickly I'll plug this. Boom. Click there. Download there if you'd like. Bad Cop's an absolute legend. Let's go see what's good over there. And I will be I'm off tomorrow, but I'm on the next day. But I'll be coding a little bit tomorrow, so don't you worry. We'll get this featured on soon. All right, guys. Thanks for everything.